Currently in our area, 80 degrees under sunny skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, slight chance of a thunderstorm. High 89. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. For tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Low 69. Winds south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. On Monday, isolated thunderstorms in the morning, then skies turning partly cloudy late. High 84. Chance of rain 30%. Our week ahead.
Entire Gulf Coast is on alert as Tropical Storm Debbie's track forecast continues to be very frustratingly difficult to pin down.
Your landfall could come anywhere from Florida to Texas, and then what day that will happen, very uncertain too.
So we have the extensive team coverage for you. We have Jim Cantore, he's in Pensacola. We have Mike Seidel, he's in North Reddington Beach, just outside of Clearwater.
And we have Carl Parker, who's standing by at our expert desk to give us perspective on what's happening with Debbie. We've been watching on satellite, watching on radar, getting recon from the hurricane hunters going in. And here is the latest. It is a tropical storm with 60-mile-per-hour winds. The pressure is down to 994. The movement is what is also so frustrating in that it's north at 2 miles per hour. Very slow out there and adding to the frustration as to where it is going.
Now, this is the current cone. Bottom line, I don't want to say it's not important, but it's not the only thing to look at. Look outside of that cone. You notice all of it is to the left of where we're seeing the impacts already. So a big, broad area, and lots of us need to watch the progress here.
And I know if you're watching that cone, you see it up to hurricane strength there a little later in the forecast. If it makes landfall sooner rather than later, it won't have time to strengthen. So that's going to be a factor as well. These are the models, and you see how they have been all over the place here. They have been trending more either north or north and east here, but still we have one of the models that we do really like to look at. We think it does a good job here that's still taking it westbound.
All right, let's get right to the ground outdoors and see what's going on site. We have Mike Seidel, North Reddington Beach, and Jim Cantore in Pensacola Beach. We start with Jim. Jim, we've seen the surf that's just been incredible over your shoulder this morning.
Absolutely. Long fetch equals big waves. It's that simple. And we've learned this before with storms like Katrina. We've learned it with storms like Ike. So regardless of the strength or what it's supposed to be when it comes ashore, the wave setup could easily be much bigger than that, all right, as an end result. So I want everyone to keep that in mind. Here's what we're talking about. When you think of a large circulation over the Gulf of Mexico, especially like we have in through here, you have the potential to build up huge waves, and they can't get out. So any forward motion keeps building on that, okay? So look at the wind field that we're talking about here. These are the tropical storm force winds with this thing, 350 miles wide. So when you talk about Katrina and Ike, you're up around 500 miles, but 350 miles is pretty doggone good, especially given this thing, especially if it intensifies and the wind field expands even more. So I just want to give you guys an idea of the size that we're dealing with here. So even though it doesn't have the name hurricane with it, we will certainly have far-reaching impacts. You can see behind me here some of the huge surf that's out here in the Emerald Coast. I mean, we're talking about 6 to 8 feet coming ashore. Just offshore, we've got 16 feet now. 16 feet before you hit the shelf. That's huge. By the time it makes it here, it's 6 to 8 feet. Obviously, very, very dangerous rip currents. And the wave run-up on the coast has come all the way to the dune. All right, even outside of the high tide. So at high tide, we're going to have some serious erosion issues here and coastal flooding issues. And that's why certainly we've got warnings for that all the way from Florida back around into Louisiana. And that's why this makes it so important that everybody pays attention to the storm, especially if it stays off the coast or does start to head, as some of the models are suggesting, a little bit more toward the north central or even northeast Gulf of Mexico for a potential landfall point. Right now, we are rainless, unlike our friends over in Panama City and Apalachicola, but eventually that could also move this way, especially if the storm keeps jogging toward the north. Well, raining is the big story, especially down in the Tampa Bay area. Mike's at North Reddington Beach, not too close from Clearwater Beach. Mike, give us an idea how much, have you pretty much been in persistent rain, or has it been more in bands?
It's been persistently raining, but yeah, we've had some heavy bands before sunrise. We had one about an hour ago. Now over 1.5 inches since midnight. Tampa's now had 10 inches of rain in June, so a very wet June, but about average for the year. And Jim talked about the wave run-up. This is high tide. This is where high tide got around 3:30 this morning. You can see the debris line with the seaweed and some of the objects that come out of the Gulf. Meanwhile, we're at low tide now, and even at low tide, some of these waves are running up to where the high tide was 6 hours ago. So much like in Pensacola and around this entire Gulf Coast, the high tide, each successive high tide, the water's going to get higher and higher. And that's why over in Plaquemines Parish, on the far southeastern tip of Louisiana, we have certainly an emergency order now. They're under a state of emergency because they've got a sandbag to keep Highway 23 open there in Plaquemines Parish as that wind continues to pile the water up into southeast Louisiana, into parts of Mississippi like around Waveland. Water height's already running at least 2, if not 2.5 feet above average. It will continue to get higher. The other issue here, take a look at the storm forecast. Thunderstorms, potentially a few brief twisters from Fort Myers and Naples all the way up to Tampa, back inland to Orlando and up towards Appalachia Bay, Jen. So we've got that typical severe weather threat as a tropical system. Well, this one tries to decide where it's going towards the coast. Jen?
Yeah, Mike, exactly. There was one yesterday, an EF0 actually there in the west coast of Florida. So that will remain a concern. Mike Seidel will be checking back in with him throughout the morning. Stay with us here as we keep an eye